this video, we will create this 7-step animated infographic. Kindly like, comment, and subscribe. Let's start by adding guidelines for alignment of shapes. Add hexagon shape from Shapes menu under Insert category. Remove outline by selecting Outline as None. Create duplicate shape using Ctrl+D. Change color for identification and reduce as compared to initial hexagon shape. Align both the shapes to center and middle. Select both the shapes and select Subtract option under Merge Shapes under Shape Format. Add a small rectangle shape and place near one corner as in video. Select all the shapes using Ctrl+A and select option Fragments under Merge Shape, Shape Format category. Delete all the unwanted pieces and keep only the hexagon border. Add another hexagon shape and place it at the center of formed shape. Remove the outline by marking it as None. Select both the shapes and align center and middle. Now add rectangle shape and place it next to the open end of the border. Remove the outline. Keep the width of rectangle same as hexagon border. This is last bit to this shape. Add a small circle and place it at the end of rectangle shape. Ensure that circle is aligned to the middle of rectangle shape. Select all the shapes and group them together. Create duplicate shape using Ctrl+D. Flip the shape horizontally from Rotate option under Shape Format. Place both the shapes so that hexagon shapes are next to each other. We can create duplicate of these shapes and stack below. Create duplicate shapes as per need. Select all the shapes and place it at the center of slide. We group the shapes for easy maneuverability. Now we can remove the guidelines and start adding colors to the infographic shapes. Next step is to add relevant icons and texts to the slide. We can keep the text color as black or change as per the hexagon shape. We can add relevant text to the hexagons in center for highlighting key pointers. Add relevant heading for the infographic. The infographic is ready. We will add animations now. Animation can be added by selecting the group/shape and then selecting the desired animation under Animations tab. We will use Wipe Animation. Select all the shapes using Ctrl+A and select the Wipe Animation. We can see same animation has been applied to all. We will change the setting for each group. Select first group and change duration. This will slow down the animation, and we'll change the effect to from left so the shape will appear from left. Select second group, change the effect to from right so the shape will appear from right, and we'll change start category to after previous so that shape appears automatically and we need not click mouse every time. We'll apply the same animation to all the shapes and update the duration to slow down animation and update effect options to left and right alternatively. Once done, this is how our final infographic will look like. Thanks for watching.